Morning class, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to crop images in Microsoft PowerPoint to remove unnecessary portions of the picture or unnecessary part of the picture. Okay, after you paste the picture in a slide, you can simply double click the picture to show the options for the format here. So this time you can see the craft tool. After you double click the craft tool, okay, so you can see the crop portions of the image, thick black lines. Okay, so you can simply drag this one to remove unnecessary portion of the picture. And then click outside anywhere at the slide. Okay, so that's how to remove unnecessary portion of the picture. Okay, so that's how to remove our unnecessary part of the picture. That's all I have to you today, and thank you so much for watching.